Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.祝你生日快乐，祝你生。
Happy birthday, Ninong Eddie. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and endless happiness.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Padir! Happy birthday po! Stay healthy and more birthdays to come para next time makikiselebrate ako ulit sa inyo ni Mother sa birthdays niyo. Ingat po!
Hi po, Kudi! Tito Ed, thank you po for making my younger years so memorable. Lalo na po tuwing reunion natin, kantahan, mga prizes, games, ang saya-saya po lagi na ating mga get together. Dito po special day mo po. Happy 70th birthday. May you have a day filled with love and blessings. Happy birthday po ulit. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Ed!
Sabi mo.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Eddie! Kuya Ed! Hello! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your special day. Pasensya ka na, Kuya Ed. Hindi ako makakapunta. Hindi kami makakapunta. Sunod-sunod yung activities. Basta wish ko lang sa'yo good health at marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. At marami ka pang kanta na kakantahin. Napapanood ko yung mga kanta mo sa Facebook. Yes. Enjoy mo lang, Kuya Eddie, ang birthday mo. Happy birthday! God bless you! Bye-bye!
Birthday, Kuya Ed!
Hello, Tito Ed!
Happy birthday! Pasensya ka na, medyo busy kami ngayon. Papunta kasi kaming way na papuntang Bicol. Supposedly, ang mga alas 2 ng hapon nandun na kami. Pero dahil may bago kaming driver, mga alauna ng Lunes nandun na kami. Oo. Itong bago kong driver ko, seryosong seryoso. Ni hi, ni hey. Hindi natlingon yan. Proper na proper yan. Tingnan mo naman. Oh. Happy birthday. Ato si AJ. Oh. Bati naman kayo diyan. Oh.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Oh, mama, bati.
Happy birthday!
Yan. Kita mo mga driver ko, ano, beauty. Di ba sexy? Oh. Ang mahal ng sita ko dito. Oo. Binayada ko ng cheque. Ayaw tanggapin. Gusto'y cash. Oo, para sa driving na to. Mahal. Pero okay lang. Safe na safe naman kami dito. Oh. Nagpabaon na. Kaya na kami ng Lanzones habang nagdadrive itong aking bagong driver na to. Sige po. Happy birthday po uli.
Hi there, Kuya Eddie. Happy 70th birthday sa'yo. Natutuwa ako dahil inabot mo yung ganyang edad. And I think you're still healthy at malakas pa. Kuya Eddie, I have a lot of fond memories sa atin sa Lopesina yung nandun pa tayong lahat, ang Valia family. Alam naman natin how close we are as a family. Napakasarap ng samahan natin bilang isang pamilya at kamag-anak. Meron ako natatandaan nung bata pa ako noon, Kuya Eddie. I think bumili ka ng motorbike, tapos very excited ka na mag-drive, tapos niyaya mo ako, sabi mo, halika, iangkas kita dito sa motor, ikot tayo, pasyal-pasyal tayo. So ako naman bilang bata, very excited dahil first time ko makakasakay ng motor. So yun, umangkas ako. Tuwa ako, nikot mo yung Naning Ponce, yung Pipaterno, Cordillera. So that was my first time to ever experience riding a motorbike. Hindi ko alam na pagdating pala ng panahon dito sa Vietnam na nakatira ako ng napakatagal ng panahon din, puro motorbike din pala makikita ko dito. So naalala ko lang. At bukod dyan, syempre, yung mga kwento natin sa Lopesina, kasama sila Tia, Ate Ida, Kalelen, si Ate Marie. Hindi ko alam kung si Ate Telma ba tumira din doon. And si Kuya Oli, Kuya Nato, yun, tumarang. Oo nga pala, ang saya natin nun, ano. So ngayon, sinasariwa ko lang yung memories ko doon on the occasion of your 70th birthday. Kuya Ed, ang wish ko sa'yo at ang dasal ko sa'yo ay for you to have a good life at sana maging happy ka, happy sa family, good health, at sana kung anong hinihiling mo sa puso mo ay pagkaloob sa iyo ng Diyos. And I hope pag uwi namin ng December, kita-kita pa rin tayo. So enjoy your celebration Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Namimiss ko na kayo. Namimiss namin kayo magkakapatid. Ate Eva is now in America. Papagaling siya doon kasama ni Ella. Si Ethel nasa Modesta, so sasamahan ko naman siya. Mula sa aming lahat, happy birthday Kuya Ed. Bye and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today. Happy birthday to you.
Wow! Happy birthday, Kudi! Bebe, birthday ni Kudi!
Happy birthday, Kudi!
More birthdays to come! Happy birthday!
Open.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ed. Happy 70th birthday. Pasensya na po, di kami nakarating. Dahil sa may magaganap na rally bukas. Kaya pinapabot na lang ng mga kamag-anak natin dito ang pagbati sa ika-70 kaarawan ni Kuya Ed. Kumusta na rin sa mga pinsan namin dyan, kina Ate Ida, Ate Marilyn, Ate Rosemary, kina Ate Marilu, Kuya Jun, at doon sa mga meron akong nakita dyan, kamukha ni Kuya Rolly, anak ba niya yun? At pinararating na rin ni Nanay, kahit nawala na siya dito, ay mahal na mahal kayo ni Nanay. At sana ay manatili ang ating magandang samahan bilang magkakamag-anak. Happy birthday po ulit. See you and enjoy your day.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Tito Ed!
Hey, good morning. I'm terrible at doing videos, but I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kudi! Happy birthday, Kuya Ed! You're 70 years old. Enjoy good health.
Enjoy
God
your birthday.
bless. See 70.
You're 70 na.
Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday, Papa. More years to celebrate and wishing you a good health. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Pa, happy birthday po. Happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your day. It's a God's grace and blessings na umabot po kayo sa 70th birthday niyo po. And many more years to celebrate life pa. And kampay para sa good health.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Kamusta
birthday,
kayong
Pa.
lahat? God bless us all.
We miss you all there.
We love you.
We love you.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday.